Hello everyone, this is Andrew from Tech Talk. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your password on your Mac. If you have any other questions about your Mac, make sure to check out all of our other tutorials on Tech Talk. But today I'm just going to be showing you how to change your computer password. So the first thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go to System Preferences. So I have mine down in the dock here, or you can come up to the Apple and hit System Preferences. Once System Preferences is opened, you're going to go into Users and Groups. That's right down here. And the first thing you'll see right here is you'll see that you have the option to change your password. Now you can change the password for each admin on your computer. So you can even look at login options here to see what we have. So right now we have automatic login off. If it automatically logged in, you wouldn't even have a password. You can add different users down here. Now I have this locked so I can't make any changes. So the first thing you'll see that we'll have to do before we make any changes is to unlock the computer. Now to unlock the computer, you're going to need your current password. So once you've entered that password, you'll see you can make changes in this. So we're going to go back up here to admin. We're going to hit change password. Now the first thing it's going to have you do is it's going to have you enter your old password. Then it'll have you enter your new password. And then we'll verify that. And then you can have a password hint. Once you're ready, you'll hit change password. Now once you hit change password, that password will be changed. It's a really good idea at this point to restart your computer and try to log in to make sure that everything worked. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and hit that like button. You can also hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our other videos on Tech Talk. Thanks and have a great day.